The aftermath of pouring bleach down the drain.
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the topic of household cleaners, specifically focusing on the seemingly harmless practice of pouring bleach down the drain. You might be surprised to learn that this action can have some significant and unintended consequences. It's time to explore the potential dangers of using bleach in this manner.
How does bleach impact plumbing?
When you pour bleach down the drain, it can react with other substances present in your pipes. This includes elements like grease, food particles, and even other household cleaners. If combined with an acidic cleaner, for example, bleach can create a violent reaction, potentially causing damage to your plumbing and releasing hazardous fumes.
Is bleach harmful to septic systems?
For those of you with septic systems, you might want to think twice before using bleach. Excessive use of bleach can disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria in your septic tank. These bacteria are essential in breaking down waste materials. If the bacteria levels become too low, the septic system may not operate effectively, leading to potential septic failure.
What about the environmental impact?
Bleach is a strong chemical that doesn't just disappear after it's washed down the drain. It can enter our waterways, and if too concentrated, it can harm aquatic life. Also, its byproducts after breaking down can potentially contribute to the depletion of the ozone layer. Therefore, the excessive use of bleach poses a risk to our environment. The next time you think about pouring bleach down your drain, remember the potential consequences. Your plumbing, septic system, and the environment can all be negatively impacted. Safer alternatives exist for keeping your drains clear, like using a mixture of vinegar and baking soda. We hope this video has shed some light on the matter and that you'll consider safer practices moving forward.